Master the GRE test, your path to success with Preparation Review Training Center. Are you ready to master the GRE test and unlock a world of opportunities? Introducing the Preparation Review Training Center, your ultimate destination for GRE test preparation. We are here to equip you with the skills, strategies, and confidence you need to achieve exceptional results. Join us as we delve into our comprehensive GRE preparation program and discover why thousands of students have chosen us as their trusted learning center on their journey to success. Welcome to the Preparation Review Training Center, where learning becomes an exciting and transformative experience. We believe that every student has the potential to excel on the GRE test, and our mission is to unleash that potential through our unparalleled training program. We understand the importance of flexibility in your study routine. That's why we are allowing you to study anytime, anywhere. Access a wealth of interactive lessons, practice questions, and simulated mock diagnostic exams to hone your skills and track your progress. At the Preparation Review Training Center, we believe that learning is not a solitary journey. Our small group sessions foster a collaborative and engaging environment, enabling you to exchange ideas, solve problems together, and learn from your peers. These interactions will sharpen your analytical thinking and enhance your communication skills, both of which are essential for success on the GRE test. We understand that each student has unique strengths and areas for improvement. That's why we provide individualized attention and feedback. Our trainers will identify your specific needs, areas to improve, and provide targeted guidance, ensuring you make progress every step of the way. The results speak for themselves. Our students consistently achieve remarkable score improvements and gain admission to their dream graduate programs. Join with the Preparation Review Training Center and let us help you unlock your full potential. Let's take a closer look at the GRE test structure and timing. The test consists of three main sections: analytical writing, verbal reasoning, and quantitative reasoning. In the analytical writing section, you'll have 30 minutes to analyze an issue and 30 minutes to analyze an argument. The verbal reasoning section includes 2 sets of 20 questions, and you'll have 30 minutes for each set. The quantitative reasoning section also consists of 2 sets of 20 questions, with 35 minutes allotted for each set. With our comprehensive or crash course GRE test preparation program, you'll learn effective time management strategies to maximize your performance within these time constraints. Our trainers will teach you how to approach each section strategically. Don't let the GRE test stand in the way of your dreams. Enroll at the Preparation Review Training Center today and embark on a transformative journey toward academic excellence. Visit our website or call us now to reserve your spot and start your GRE test preparation with the Preparation Review Training Center. Preparation is the key to success.